and welcome to the channel. I thank you for watching the videos. If you are new, welcome. My regulars, welcome back. This week we are looking at how the plants are faring. Remember, I said that I will have to separate these celery, so my mother is going to separate it because I cannot separate it by my hand. So she said it's about 6 celery plants. She will just take them out, and she will leave about 1 or 2 to try to see who will win that race of growing. So that's 1. And it is not easy because they're so small and so close. It's not easy. So she's trying not to pull out too much. That is 3. And you can see in the background what happened to the bananas. Well, we had a freak storm. This is the 30th, and it damaged the banana trees. Back to the celery. Remember, replanting is the worst for these plants, but we will work with them. How much plants did you get, Mommy?
2, 3, 4, 5. They're around 7.
Try.
7 and 2 that I replanted.
So 9. That was 9 celery plants. She will take those away and put in another garden. We now going to check these plants for any bugs, any pests. As you can see, we have finally got some culprits, and yes, and they're eating my vegetables, but I'm going to work on that today. Yeah, with parsley, you don't really have a problem with pests and that is growing. The lettuce, this one you can see is growing. This, yes, it is smaller, way smaller as the other one. Again, planting time. You see where my mother separate. We will just wait on these. I don't have any problems with the lettuce too. I'm not having no problem with the pest. So let me check the other one. Oh man, you can see this side there is trying to win the battle from the pest, and is a slug or slugs that are getting in here right now. And this only happened last week because these plants were here, no pests. Then suddenly a slug decided it loved my plants. You see, I lost a lot of leaves, but we will see. They're not doing a lot of damage. This lettuce, yes, it had some pests, but it's still growing good. We can see that we could harvest some leaves soon. This celery was eaten to this point, so they are trained to grow back to. As you know, I'm doing organic gardening, so I will have an organic spray for these plants. So stay tuned. Right, this is the solution that I was talking about. This is a mixture of dishwashing liquid, water, and oil. This is vegetable oil, and you just mix it up. As you can hear, it's getting foamy. You just spray the plants, and I'm recording through the window, as you can see with the net. You normally coat the leaves at the top and the bottom, and hopefully during the week I will top them off again. This solution deters the pests. They don't like the taste of the soap and the oil. They just slip off. So they are coated right now, and tonight any bandits, slugs, snails, caterpillars should not be stealing my plants. Yes, they are stealing. So again, whatever I do with this pot, you know, we're going to the other. My daughter decided to help me with spraying, and as my daughter is helping me, the Lord's word will help us as well. Isaiah 65:21. And they shall build houses and inhabit them, and they shall plant vineyards and eat the fruit of them. The Lord wants us to never be in want, never lacking. The more we build each other, the more we will have for each other. The Lord wants to provide for us. He wants to infill our spirit and cultivate a garden of wisdom. Know that your forever home will be in heaven, where we shall have vineyards and eat the fruit of them. We will hope that these plants will survive. Until next time, bye bye.